Hello, my dear students. I know that everybody will start thinking why I am saying students to all of you. So, first of all, everybody, Sanskrit Bhasha Dinasya Bahu Samyak Shubhashayaha. Today, on the occasion of Sanskrit Day, I am playing the role of Mata Saraswati as Sanskrit Bhasha. I am the student of Kekewag Universal School from DGP Nagar branch. My name is Siddhi Jitendra Vadner. I study in grade 8th sir. My roll number is 1829. So before my act, I want to tell everybody, just sit erect, join your hands and close your eyes. I am going to recite a shloka. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhirupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. I am going to recite this shloka once again, my dear students. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhirupena Samsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. The meaning of this shloka is Ya Devi means जो माता जो देवी हम में बुद्धि रूप से स्थित है, जो बुद्धि की देवता है, उसे हमेशा हमारा नमस्कार है, नमस्कार है, नमस्कार है. I feel proud that we are an Indian and we are learning Sanskrit language. We know Sanskrit language. We know a lot of shlokas which are written in Sanskrit language. This is our ancient language in the whole world. People are coming in India and taking our knowledge in the abroad. But still, these people don't understand what we have. We have Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Aranya, and lot of things. We have 4 Vedas, Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, Atharvaved, which are written in Sanskrit language. So my dear students, we all should learn Sanskrit language. It is the most effective and most precious language in the world. So I really promise you that when you start learning the Sanskrit language, your brain will get fast, your memory will get increased, and your pronunciation and vocal cords will be cleared. So these are the benefits of Sanskrit Bhasha. So everybody just enjoy the Sanskrit language and this whole program. I bless you as Sanskrit Bhasha and as Mata Saraswati. My dear students, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Bharatam.
Namo Namaha. My name is Anushri Joshi. I study in grade 8th Moon. Today I am here to tell you all about the Sanskrit Day. First of all, let me wish you all a happy World Sanskrit Day. World Sanskrit Day or Sanskrit Din was the first time celebrated in 1969. It is celebrated to spread awareness, promote and revive the ancient Indian language. It attributes the rich culture of India. The Sanskrit language is believed to be originated in India around 3500 years ago. Even the Indian government in 1969 declared to celebrate the World Sanskrit Day. Now, here, let us see the importance of World Sanskrit Day. The main objective of celebrating World Sanskrit Day is to promote the Sanskrit language. The government of India decided to celebrate this day because the small percentage of the population in our country speaks Sanskrit. It is important to preserve Sanskrit to understand the rich tradition of our country. Now, some facts of Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is the oldest, purest and most systematic language in the world. It is the most versatile language as well. Here are some interesting facts. Sanskrit has as many as 70 synonyms for water. Here some of those are Udakam, Pushkaram, etc. These are some of the words for water in Sanskrit. Even there are 100 names of elephant in Sanskrit. Some of those are Gaja, Hasti, etc. These are some of the words for elephant in Sanskrit. Sanskrit was also considered as Devbhasha or Devavani, the language of gods, by ancient Indians. The script is called Devanagari, which means used in the cities of gods. One more fact is there. Let us see. The Srimad Bhagavad Gita, often referred to be as the Gita, which is also originally written in Sanskrit. Even the Ramayana is written in Sanskrit through Maharshi Valmiki. Do you know Sanskrit is the most influencing language? More than 97% of languages have an influence on Sanskrit in it. Even there is a dedicated university in the USA for the Sanskrit language. NASA also has allocated a particular department for researching the Sanskrit manuscripts. Here, I end up with my presentation and I wish again a happy World Sanskrit Day to all of you. Dhanyavadaha.